Napudol na naman po kami.
Ang chicken kanina, durog-durog. Tignan nyo.
Taking shots at the enemy. I'm gonna make it to the top, leave a legacy. If I got something to say, you better let me speak. Turn it up a new degree, bitch, you ain't seen anything. I pop off with the new rock, electronic, blow the sonic roof up. I'm too honest when I take a few shots. They're too toxic, need to take the news.
Ito kasi overrated eh. Walang masarap talaga. Ano lechon?
Hindi yan masarap.
Parang masarap naman. Sabo tayo. Uy! Andiyan, bumili. Ay! Alam mo, kakadating lang na. Ah, diba? Sabi pa naman ka.
Hindi ka niya kilala.
Kasi yan. Sabi kami na malayo-layo sa tagal doon. Sabi namin kung kukulangin kami ng ng oral. Kung punta tayo sa mga friends mo. Tapos hindi ko na bungee pagkatapos sa sabi.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
Hindi na pandemic. Pwede na kasi yung mga bata eh. Siyempre, ang tagal na nakakulong ng mga bata sa bahay, kaya parang eto yun yung binilihan ko ng shawarma. Pero iba na yung pwesto, dati dun sila eh. Saka nare-arrange.
Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mind.
Ayan, so far nakabili kami ng lechon at saka na, ano tawag dito?
Ngoyong.
Ha?
Ngoyong.
Ngoyong.
Sikat siya sa Cebu na street food.
Iba, kasi ang mahal ng rice 50 pesos. Dapat sinabi mo naman tayo. Para video sa vlog yan. Ay! Ay! Ano ba yan? nakita ko yung sa carpenters.
Ah.
Hindi ko ba ba naman ang intro nito? May mga binabati-bati pa. Ang tagal ng carpenters. Siyempre, gano'n talaga.
Ayan na, dito kami, na-meet namin si Banji, ayan. May bestie, oh. Kasama niya si Ralph. Ayan, si Clark ang inaanak ko. Anong ginagawa niyo dito, Banji?
Disclaimer. Baka sakali.
Na?
Naghahanap ng ninang.
Wow!
Nakahanap nga.
Nakahanap ka.
Nararamdaman ko, Bel, na maaga kami makakatamas ko.
Oh my God. Si Ava na ba to?
Ay, hindi.
Ayun ko na napansin. Ava, hi ka. Hi, Ava. Hello. Ay, sa wakas. Ayan, dumating na siya. Diba, alas 7 na. Kunin natin yung pagkain mo. Nakakaloka. Uy, parang kilala kita. Wala kami maupuan. Naghiwalay kami ni Reden at saka ni Ann kasi walang available na lamesa. Ayun siya. Naghahanap na maupuan. Ayun naman din si Ann. Nag-aabang ng lamesa. Sa wakas nakaupo din kami. Wala mapwestuhan dun sa Bancheto kaya dito kami sa
pag gutom ka, no? Tapos kumain ka konti. Wala.
True.
I'm busog na.
O, uwian na.
Hindi na gumala. Pumunta lang talaga kami dito para kumain. Nasa mall kami pero nagpi-premiere ako. Ayan o. Ayan o. Birthday ko to.
Super dedicated sa work. Hmm?
Sobrang dedicated sa YouTube. Kahit na nagmo-mall, na gumagala.
Naging
Hindi ko na
work ang
in-adjust.
YouTube.
Hindi ko na in-adjust yung time. Kasi alam nilang in-PM na. Salamat sa mga nanonood ng premiere ko. Thank you so much. Sa mga matandang premiere ko, si Viajeros, Tatlong Yagit, Mean, Mikey B-Fly, Miss Duck, Dogs, King Ram, Ate Baby TV, Bingkay, Forever Color TV. Sino pa yung mga nandun? Yan, sa inyong lahat dyan, sa mga nanonood, thank you. Last na.
Behind the scenes.
Ito na yung magandang part na di-switch na.
Oh,